Welcome, in front of me is a Doro 8035, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pry open the cover of the device, which I already have done, so all you need to do is just take it off like so. But basically you have a little tab where you can pull right here, as you see this. So all you want to do is just pry it off and go all around to take it off. And yeah, so from here you have access to the SD card right here and then SIM card right here. To place the SD card, all you need to do is just put it here and then slide it down till it clicks in there, and SIM card, place it here and slide it again all the way. It's basically as far as it goes, and you're basically done. So flip over the device, and now there is the pin for the SIM card, so I'm just gonna put that in here, and there it is. So as you can see, SIM card is working and SD card as well, based on the fact that it detected it. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.